I need my belt. Can you get my belt?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought of a really cool idea. At least I think it's cool. It is Taekwondo Truth or Dare. So pretty much we're gonna take turns picking truth or dare, and all of our truth or dares today are martial arts themed. Are you ready for this, Donavan?
I don't know, because I don't know what the questions are, what the dares are, so I'm going into this blind. I know about as much as you.
If you guys don't know who Donavan is, he is a martial arts YouTuber. He has a really awesome YouTube channel where he has really cool kicks and just fun tutorials on there. So make sure to check out his channel, and let's go ahead and get started with truth or dare.
Oh boy.
You're up first. You have to pick either a truth, and there's 1 through 4, or a dare, and there's 1 through 5.
So 4 truths and 5 dares.
Yeah, so give me a number.
You can't, what you're not gonna do is pick truth every time.
Okay, pick truth or dare.
Dare.
Number 1 through 5.
3. What is it? What is
You're
it?
not gonna like this one. How many roundhouse kicks can you do in 10 seconds?
Without putting my foot down?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. I can do that.
All right, timer's on 10 seconds, and we have Donavan ready. I need to pick up the timer, my bad. Get set, and go. Stop. Don't kill me. I didn't press go.
You suck!
Okay, ready? There's a timer. Ready, get set, go.
That was 37.
I was gonna ask them to count and tell us.
Oh.
Alright, Donavan did his dare. It's your turn.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Of course you do. What number? 1 through 4.
I picked number 3.
What's an easy skill you're not good at?
There's a lot of these. Okay, I'm not good at tornado kicks.
Okay.
I suck at them like in a sparring match.
Okay.
And I suck at punching and sparring as well.
Really?
I can't.
I actually am with you. Like those are my probably two. Anything with my arms, no. Unless it's Poomsae. And then tornado kicks are actually like, my hips don't, I think it's like a flexibility thing because like my hips like want to like turn before the rest do.
I don't know, I think it's just like a timing thing. So every time I've tried it like in a fight, I end up getting back kicked. I think because I just like, I do it super wide, kind of like a demo one. And then yeah, people can see it coming, and so tornado kicks and punching and sparring. That's my truth. Truth or dare?
I'm picking truth this time.
Okay, truth 1 through 4, not 3.
1.
What is your worst Taekwondo injury?
I one time tore my hamstring when we were doing high side kicks, and I wasn't supposed to do the class. I just jumped in, so I didn't warm up, and so I shot it vertically thinking like, yeah, I can still do it without warming up, and I just snapped something, and to this day I can still feel it.
Aww, I'll do a dare this time.
Yeah, truth or dare?
Dare.
What?
I just told you I was gonna do
I thought that was just to me, not the video.
Okay, dare.
Dare, okay. 1 through 5.
Which one did you pick?
I did 3.
Okay, so I'll pick 2.
2. Who can hold a roundhouse kick long? No!
Yeah!
I don't have to do the dare.
Yes, you do!
How long can you hold a roundhouse kick as the dare? I'm not doing your dare with you.
Why not?
Because I just did a dare.
Don't you guys want to see him do?
Also, she wrote me. She knew I would have to do that with her.
Fine, okay, ready?
How long can you hold a roundhouse kick?
We're gonna find out.
Okay.
Oh!
That's all you got?
Try it again, that was like 3 seconds. Second time.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, there we go. I can at least get like 10 seconds before I go down.
You better go longer than that.
Keep in mind, this is after. Whoa! That was 10 seconds. I'm done. I'm out. That's the record for the day. What are you doing on my video? Truth or dare?
Should I do a dare or truth? I'll do a dare. I kind of like the dares.
Wait, what'd you say?
Dare.
Dare? Pick a number 1 through 5. Not 3, not 2.
Number 5.
Do a dramatic aerial.
What's a dramatic aerial?
That's up for you.
That's for me to decide?
The most dramatic aerial you can do.
Okay. I don't know what that means. Okay.
Go. that one, by the way.
Okay.
Truth or you asked me.
Truth or dare?
Truth. Wait, did I do dare? Yeah, I did.
You did a dare. 1 through 4, not number 1. No, not number 1 and not number 3.
So 2 or 4?
Yeah. 2. What is your least favorite kick?
I'm thinking. I kind of like them all.
You have to have a least
front
favorite.
kick, ground cast kick, side kick, axe kick, back kick, axe kicks, push kick. Push kick. I hate push kicks. Like I
hate those too.
Yeah, yeah. It's an ugly color in my head. It's just like
It's like ugly because like you just put like like they're useful and you push them away from you in sparring, but like I like to hurt people when I kick.
Yeah, just the push kick's my least favorite kick.
Like you just go like this. I want to.
Okay, my turn. Truth or dare?
Dare.
You can do 1 or 4.
4.
This is the last truth or dare that we're gonna do because we're both gonna do it over at the grocery store next door.
What are we doing at the grocery store next door?
Dare number 4. Go into the grocery store next door and do side kicks in weird places.
You suck.
Let's go.
Right now?
Yeah, we're doing this.
Okay.
I double dog dared you.
Oh.
Okay, so we just walked into Target and Donovan has to do his part of the dare. Alright, first up is your favorite place. Can you guess what it is?
The makeup aisle.
Yeah. Go. That was cute. Alright, that was a pretty good warm-up. That is 1. I'm gonna ask you to do a total of 5.
Can I buy this whole aisle?
So you get a total of 5 in this store. You are 1 down and we're gonna get busier and busier as it goes. Next up, I want the grocery section. Right there in front of the apples. Ready, get set, and go. Perfect. Okay, ready, go. Ready, go. Okay, the last side kick is right here in front of the cash registers.
Okay, right here?
Move a little more in the middle of the white. Okay, ready? Get set, and go. Alright, you won.
Woo.
So much fun.
It actually was. I enjoyed my time.
I can't believe we didn't get caught by any Target employees. Not caught, but like kicked out.
I'm really glad we didn't get, what is it, exited?
I know what you're talking
escorted
about.
off the premises.
Oh yeah, I think like there were a couple of times when they like looked at us and I'm just like, I'm not gonna make any eye contact.
They were kind of like, never mind.
Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching my Truth or Dare Taekwondo challenge. Let us know if I should ever do another one. And thanks to Donovan for being on my video. Find his channel, follow it, and see you guys all next time.
Bye.